In 2006, Sandford Parks Lido in Cheltenham was in need of an urgent repair to stabilise the main pool tank, which had begun to subside in one corner and let water in from the underlying water table. Reports as far back as 1994 highlighted a maximum 10-year life expectancy. Therefore, to secure its future, stabilisation work was essential. To achieve the stabilisation, a piling rig was brought in to pile down through the existing pool basin. 104 piles were used, some hammered down to 9 metres deep, until they achieved a sufficient resistance which demonstrated adequate support. These were then filled with concrete and steel rods placed within them to then be tied into a grid of steel. Photographs, videos and a regularly updated blog were used during the refurbishment project, and this can still be found at the Lido's website www.sandfordparkslido.org.uk. The depth of the original pool at the shallow end was 90 centimetres, and the refurbishment allowed the opportunity to increase the depth to 1 metre, the required depth for competitive swimming. A new bed was then laid at the shallow end, and the steel structure on top was tied into a new wall, ensuring the pool length became 50 metres. The concrete was poured in sections, deep end, shallow end, and then finally the centre. The initial plans were to patch render the existing walls. Unfortunately, these failed, and it was necessary to completely re-render all of the pool walls. The pool was painted to include lane lines for a 10-lane 50-metre pool, and following the flooding crisis and water shortage in Gloucestershire, the pool was filled over the period of a week, enabling a reopening on the 15th of August 2007, ready for a hot, busy bank holiday weekend.